Wow! Tide! Ang dami no! Halos ito pong limang ito, puno yan. Check tayo ng dumpster. Wow! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Got beer!
Goddamn beer everywhere.
Let's see.
Oh my goodness! Beer is everywhere.
Beer. Ooh, diapers.
Got milk.
Corona.
Baby milk, baby.
What's this?
That's from the powder milk.
I don't know really what is this one. Kasi parang ano, butas. Pasukin natin. Daming beer. Beer. Corona beer. Paano man ito may makuha, be? Ito pala yung box. Kaya lagyan natin yung beer dito. Ba't ka tinapon yung beer? Ay, wala. Meron pang ano. Coffee. Oh. Try put your beer right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito yung damit Yan. I think that's for the clothes. I'm not sure what's that. Oops. Pwede ito pagkain ng pusa ko.
Cat food.
Yeah. But they said it's dog. Okay. Chocolate. Uy. Ito nga natin. Okay. Gloves is too big. Oh, diapers. Ito pa yung corona.
One beer.
Yeah. Okay. Pasta. Ay, butas na.
Let me get the tea.
Saan? Where's the tea? This one?
The tea
It's open. Bakit bukas? Ayan. This one siya.
What about that beer right there, baby?
Huh?
Can right there. The gold can.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. What's this?
Beer.
Beer also? Okay.
Thank you.
Ito naman butas. Natapon.
This beer.
Tapon na. It look like more beer on the bottom. Hold on. Hindi nasa gilid. Because your gloves is too big. Okay. Get this one. Good for my cat. Ayun yung biro. Oh, ano? Is soda. Oh, kala ko beer. Boom. Boom soda. Isang kahon. Wow. Isang kahon ng soda. Ito pa.
Anything in there?
Ayan.
One more? Yeah. What about that, baby? Captain Crunch Streets.
Saan?
Right here. This right. It's the brown box, right? No, go up.
Right there?
Yeah, right
Okay,
there.
hold on.
Something in there?
Oh, this one is for sunglasses. I don't know what's this.
Oh, super look.
tampon. Wala nang laman man ay sopi. Wala nang laman ang tampon. Ayun pa. Soda. May soda pa sa ilalim. Hinahanap ko kasi yung ano, pagkain ng pusa. Kailangan ko ito. Ayun. Para hindi ko na ito bilhin. Matakaw pa naman yung aking mga pusa. Oh.
Got it.
Kasing soda. Taran! Sus! Another 1 box of soda. Ayun. Ito pa oh, mayroon pa. Walang iba. Ang laman nito. Ito ay basura lang. He leave some drinks. We got 2 already, right? Just look. Beer. Wala na. Yeah, we leave that one there. We got more enough soda. Beer, wala nang beer. Wala na. Nalugugin natin 1 more time. Huh? Yes. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Got some black bag in here. Wala pa ng black bag. Ano to? Parang meron sa ilalim. The gloves too big, be. Gloves too big. Let's go. Yep, let's go. Ay, ano to? Kortoy. Anong kortoy? Uy, laruan. Wow. Uy, wow. Okay. Ganda. Laruan siya, oh. Uy, Tide. Ano to? Trash bag. Trash bag ata ito. May Tide dito. Oh. Uy, natapon. Oh, walang laman. Ay, may laman yung iba. Uy. May laman man yung iba. Ito ata ay trash bag. Ang ganda. Box lang. Box. Ano to nandito? Ha? Bato. Wala. Box. Okay. Let's go. Hello! Kamusta sa... Wow! Tide! Ang dami no! Halos ito pong 5 ito, puno yan. Ito lang po yung may damage. Yan po oh. May crack yung takip, kaya natapon siya. Sarap-sarap. Sarap-sarap talaga. Ilang buwan makatipid sa pagbili ng ating laundry soap. At tingnan nyo ito. Taran! Truck. Pang baby. So kung merong magbe-birthday dito, ganun, pang regalo, di ba? Dalawa lang. At isang box. Ng box. ng box. Garbage bag. 6 na box. Ayan po, 13 gallon. So, maliit ito. Para ito sa maliit na garbage can. San ka pa? Libre yan. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabet sa Let's Vlog. Bye! Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!